What's the meaning of coattails? Coattails. Coattails.
Coattails. Coattails. Coattails refers to the tails of a coat and is commonly used in the context of someone riding on the success or popularity of someone else. It means to gain an advantage or benefit from someone else's achievements or reputation, without actually contributing to the effort. This term often has a negative connotation, implying that the person is taking unfair advantage or not standing on their own merit. Essentially, they are using the power or influence of another person to boost themselves up.